What if I told you everything you know about weight loss is wrong? You don't need to starve yourself. You need smarter surroundings that do the work for you. The secret isn't a magic pill, it's your environment. Willpower is a myth when your space is working against you. Make the healthy choice the easy one. First, we're doing a 2-minute kitchen purge. Grab a trash bag, toss anything highly processed or tempting, replace them with simple staples: fruit, nuts, whole foods. If you want an easy swap, try Affiliate Brands Healthy Bars. Link in the description. Next, put the good stuff where you can see it, the seafood diet. Keep pre-cut veggies and healthy snacks at eye level in the fridge. When it's visible and convenient, you choose it more often. Small changes in placement lead to big habits. Finally, the 10-minute rule for movement. Commit to just 10 minutes. It could be a walk, jumping jacks, or a quick dance, whatever you enjoy. 10 minutes a day stacks up. No equipment, no excuses. This isn't just about losing weight, it's about gaining energy and confidence. Small environment shifts help you show up for life. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more simple, science-backed tips. And for those serious about a simple swap, check out Affiliate Brand. Special discount in the description. Start with one change today. You've got this. Hit subscribe and tap that like button for more.